Do you need any introduction of this plant? I hope the answer is no, because everybody is talking about this plant. This snake plant or sansevieria is now on trend. If you are looking for any plant that is suitable for home decor or looking for any air purifying plant, this snake plant may be one of the options. Snake plant is such a succulent. They can grow very well under shade or in a bright spot, but never keep them under direct sunlight or any harsh sunlight between 10 am to 4 pm. If you want to get shiny texture on the leaves, so the trick is here, you have to keep them at a spot where they get sunlight for some hours in the morning or in the late evening. Snake plant is a succulent. The fleshy leaves stores enough water, so water them when the topsoil is completely dry. I usually water my plant once in a week in summer days and once in a month in rainy days and in winter days. Grow your snake plant in this soil mix. I usually prefer succulent mix for my snake plants. Use these pesticides once in every month. This is purely organic. In my snake plants, usually I don't use any fertilizer more frequently. I believe in a good start of my plants in a well-drained and rich in nutrient soil is the best option rather than applying fertilizer, any chemical fertilizer more often. And this is very much applicable to your snake plants also. But you may apply by a balanced liquid fertilizer to its half strength twice or thrice in a year. Propagate them when you see such type of baby plants overcrowded around the mother plant. Do in spring. Don't disturb them in rainy season or in winter season. You may watch my other video on how to propagate your snake plants. I have given the link in the description box. So what will you do now? Collect one plant, grow them and propagate them as many as you wish, or decorate them the way you want, or gift them to your dear ones. Thank you so much for watching this till the end.